MTI radar. Okay. MTI radar means moving target indicator. If we use a radar for detecting the movable target, then the radar should receive only echo signal due to that movable target. Okay. So this echo signal is desired one. We are getting a clutter signals also, but we have to desire only a echo signal at the receiver. So we remove that clutter signal on the receiver. Okay, due to that movable target, the clutters are present. The echo signal due to the stationary objects such as land, sea are called clutters. As we know that clutters, the as a stationary targets. Because of that, there some we get unwanted signals. Because of these, radar in such a way only echo signals due to the movable target but not the clutters. Okay, so radar use the principle of Doppler effect. Okay, for distinguish for distinguishing the object effect for non-stationary for non-stationary target from stationary objects are known as MTI radar. Okay, MTI radar are classified in two ways. First, based on the power amplifier, and second one based on the power oscillator. Okay, so we will study first of all the power MTI radar with power amplifier transmitter. Okay, so this is a whole diagram: duplexer, power amplifier, mixer 2, local oscillator, mixer 1, IF amplifier, phase detector, coherent oscillator, 2 delay line canceller. Now, what are the working of these blocks? I will tell you. Here's an antenna and it is a duplexer. Okay, so the antenna will work as a transmitter and receive. So what is the working of first of all duplexer? It is nothing, it is a microwave switch which connects antenna to either the transmitter section or the receiver section. Okay, it behave as a switch. So it can connect as an antenna, transmitter and receiver section. Antenna transmits signal having a frequency of FL plus FC. Okay, when duplexer connect to the power amplifier. So the antenna transmits the signal FL plus FC. When duplexer, similarly receiver, when duplexer is connected to the receiver, okay, when receiver is connected to the duplexer, it will produce a signal FL plus FC plus FD. Why FD? Because of Doppler effects at the receiver. So after that, the working of the power amplifier, it amplifies the power level of the pulse modulated signal. When we getting a pulse modulating signal, power amplifier will amplify it and it will connect to the duplexer. So the signals which are coming in a duplexer is the transmitter signal and the amplify signal of pulse modulator. After that, it goes to the mixer 2. There is a local oscillator and mixer 1. The working of a local oscillator is that it produces a signal FL to both the mixer 1. It will generate a frequency of local oscillator and give an output to both mixer 1 and mixer 2. The mixer 1 is working as a sum and difference of the signals, and similarly mixer 2. But The mixer 1 produce a signal FL plus FC, and mixer 2 will produce FC plus minus FT. Okay, the mixer 2 will produce FC plus minus FT. Then why? Because there is FL, and here also we get an FL plus FC plus FT, so it will get cancelled out. We will get FC plus minus FD because it produces sum and difference of the. After that, the working of an IF amplifier, it is intermediate frequency amplifier. It amplifies the signal and gets a FC plus FD, means it gives a upper band signal. Okay, it will give a FC plus FD signal because it's giving a upper sideband signal. After that, there is a phase detector which is used to produce output signal FD from the two signals FC plus FD and FC. Now here is a coherent oscillator. So what is doing? It producing an intermediate frequency signal. So what we are getting here, phase detector, this signal plus this signal. So we are getting a two signals, FC plus FD plus FC. At a delay line canceller, we get an output detecting the output from a delay line canceller. So this is a whole proper working of MTI radar, in which we have studied a first classification with a MTI radar with the power amplifier. Okay, these are the block diagrams.